Pakatlido nang nakambalido nang naibunong si Hayba na tawdo na takli. Pakatlido.
Hi guys! My name is Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jrowdixtv. And I'm so excited again to make another reaction of video from Manipuri, Northeastindia. Yes, your favorite Manipuri music. And wow, before that, I just want to thank all of you guys for those who always watching my reaction of video on my channel. Thank you so much for those people there in Northeastindia, my brothers and sisters from Manipuri or any state there in Northeastindia, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Before we start our reaction of video, please, for those new to my channel, subscribe now on my channel, guys, and please don't forget to hit my notification bell for more latest update on my reaction video. So, the title of this musical video we're going to react right now is NANGNA EINGONDA UTLIBA by Kuku Salam. Wow, this is gonna be very exciting moment again, guys. So, wow, this is, wow. Okay, guys, before we start, we're gonna thank Tantha for this music and for allowing me to react this, guys. Thank you so much, Tantha, for always there to allowing me to react your music video. So please join me until the end of this music video, because I know you're gonna be enjoy it and you like it, this Manipuri music. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this music video. Witchcraft Studios. NANGNA EINGONDA UTLIBA. Okay. Handsome like me. Wow. So pretty. It's very thick. I like the way, just like me, guys. This is very cozy. I like this music video because there's some part here so funny, guys, but you know, very sweet, funny scene. I like this music, guys, because not only singing but there's some mixing of dance, and you know, that was my I like it in one music video. because this is gonna be exciting, guys, and very, very, there's some part that you can enjoy the music. Just like this. Wow. That was so pretty lady, and very talented. See? I love it, mannequin music. Wow. See that, guys? Oh, wow. Very, very impressive performance by this character here, guys. She's not only a pretty but very, very talented lady. And this guy, wow. Speechless, guys. He is so handsome like me. Okay? No one can disagree with my opinion, guys, about this guy. Because that is true. He is so handsome like me. Lona, Lona, what's the meaning of Lona, Lona? I want to kick my, my feet, guys, just like that. I want to move it, just like that. Wow, that was the music, guys. Wow, I like the voice of Kuku Salam, guys. Wow. So, guys, did you like it, guys? Please, guys, if you like this music video or Manipur music video, please don't forget to like and share to your families and friends, guys. Share this to your community, guys, because I know they enjoy this music video. Alright, and of course, I will share this to my hometown, guys, Philippines, and I will invite them to watch this kind of music, Manipur music from Northeastindia. So, thank you so much, guys, for allowing me to react this music video. I know you enjoy this music, guys, and wow, the character here, guys, the lady here, it's so pretty, and the guy here is very handsome, guys, like me. And I know I'm just kidding, guys, but wow, no doubt, guys, the guy here is so handsome, guys. And is that a famous artist there in your state? Okay, and I know some of the character in the Manipur music, guys, they are so famous there in your state. And wow, that was so impressive performance for me, and that was so amazing, because this is not only a music, but there's a part there that they're acting like an artist, comedian, just like that, guys. And wow, I enjoy it, guys, this music. So Thank you so much again, guys, from my brothers and sisters from Manipuri, Northeast India. Okay, and well, before we end this reaction of video, guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video. Thank you so much again. I know you enjoy it, guys, this reaction of video. And please, guys, allow me to react again another Manipur music in your state. And well, before we end it, guys, I just want to thank Tantha for allowing me again to react this music, and hoping that next time you allowing me again. Thank you, Tantha. Thank you so much. And I love you all, guys, especially to my brothers and sisters from Northeast India, Manipur, or any state there, Meghalaya, Assam, or Fradis. Well, all of you there, guys. I love you all, guys. Okay? So, thank you so much. See you there on my next reaction of video. And I love you all, guys. Bye! God bless!